Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the best alternatives for the Adobe Acrobat Pro and what are the things you have to be aware of. So the first one that is like interesting one is called Seda PDF, and free tier available, web-based. You don't have to like install desktop app, edit text directly, annotations, merge split, form splitting, digital signature, screen intuitive interface, and like a lot of things here that you can actually do. But the free version is limited. So that's for it. Now, then the next one is like Sterling. Sterling is a free and open source, so that's great, self-hosted. And like the cons is that it requires self-hosting, cannot like Docker setup, cannot edit text line by line, more technical to set up, best for the IT savvy users. But I still wanted to kind of like share with you when you're pricing here, you see kind of like here the free one. So that's good. Now, the PDF Gear is also a very popular one and great alternatives to Adobe. Completely free, no waterworks, no limits. You can right here see the like free download, scan documents, annotation, merge split, compress, form filling, digital signatures, PDF conversion, also Word, Excel, AI assistant, modern clean interface. The cons is that it can slow down with large PDFs, like some advanced batch processing. AI features require internet, no redaction tool. Now, the PDF Exchange editor is another one. Now, this one is less intuitive. I wanted this one. It's like less intuitive. It's a little bit older tool, but still feature-rich free version, OCR included. So this one is also interesting one that you can like check out, but it's Windows only, some advanced features watermarked in the free version, and then also PDF 24. This is something that is like people on Reddit also like that, so you can check it out. And thank you very much for watching, and hope you have a great day, and goodbye.